City Night Plus Skyline. In the USA, money never sleeps. People are earning day and night. But the question is, how are they making so much money while others are struggling? City Daytime Aerial. Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how people in the USA increase their income step by step. Watch carefully, because this can change your life. Method 1. Multiple income streams. Busy city in the USA. People don't depend on one income. They build side income, online income, passive income, because one income is never enough. Method 2. Online earnings. Laptop working. Most Americans earn online. Ways like YouTube, freelancing, affiliate marketing. Just a phone and internet is enough to start. Method 3. Smart skills. Editing, typing, AI. High income needs high skills. Learn. Video editing, content creation, AI tools. The more you learn, the more you earn. Method 4. Smart work system. Automation, tech. People don't just work hard. They build systems. Systems that make money, even when they sleep. Slow city sunset. If you want to increase your income, start today, not tomorrow. Because every day you wait, you lose money. Like, subscribe, and start building your income today.